AI isn't the future, it's the present. Right now, businesses using AI are moving faster, smarter, and more profitably than ever before. Studies show that AI-driven companies experience a 30 to 50% boost in efficiency, reduced costs, and make better decisions at scale. But here's the reality. Even if you're not using AI, your competitors already are. AI is revolutionizing every industry. It's not just about automation, it's about making business smarter. AI is already transforming businesses globally. In operations, AI-powered automation is eliminating repetitive tasks. In customer experience, personalized AI recommendations keep customers engaged. In finance and decision-making, AI-driven insights predict market trends with unmatched accuracy. In retail and logistics, AI is optimizing inventory, reducing waste, and accelerating deliveries. From small businesses to industry giants, AI is the driving force behind today's success stories. Here's the biggest mistake businesses make. They wait. They assume AI is too complex, too expensive, or too far off. But the truth? AI is more accessible than ever. You don't need a massive budget or a tech team, you just need to start. Because every day you wait, your competitors get ahead. AI isn't an option anymore, it's a necessity. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. So the question isn't if you should integrate AI, it's how fast can you start? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to explore AI for your business.